Dear students, hope you all are well and healthy. Today we are going to start the remaining lessons of the class 7 English syllabus. We have already completed summative exam 1. The lessons you know: Book of Nature, the Riddle, We Are Seven, the Beauty and the Beast, and the revision lessons also. We have already completed lesson 5, Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture, and 6, The Vagabond. Remaining are all only the Mowgli's Brother, lesson 7, and 8, The Story of Proserpine. Okay. So today we are going to start the Mowgli's Brother. Usually I give instructions in Bengali, as ours is a Bengali medium, but today I am going to give you instruction in English. If you listen it 2 or 3 times repeatedly, you can easily understand it. Okay. So now let's start. See, here is the syllabus, summative 2, full marks 25. You can note it down. Lesson 5, Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture, The Vagabond, Mowgli's Brother, and The Story of Proserpine. Grammar, textual. Textual means from the text, degree change, narration change. Here is writing. Textuals means from text, story writing, letter writings, and paragraph writings. Okay. Now let's start. Mowgli among the wolves. It is not possible to read out the full story here. That's why I am giving you only the outlines. Okay. See, there lived a couple of wolves with their cubs in the Seeonee hills. Father wolf woke up in the evening and got rid of his sleepy feelings. Mother wolf was busy with her cubs. There also lived a mischievous jackal named Tabaki in that area. Indian wolves did not like Tabaki because of his some disgusting activities like eating rags, telling tales, etc. Moreover, he had a big tendency of going mad. Even the tiger got scared of him then. That Tabaki came into the wolf's den and managed a bone of a buck there. After enjoying the meal, Tabaki praised the children on their faces. He knew very well that it was unlucky for them. Meanwhile, Sher Khan, the big tiger, came in the Seeonee hills to hunt that night. Father wolf got angry with that and reminded the law of the jungle to the jackal, who informed him that jackal means Tabaki. When Father wolf heard the roar of the tiger, it seemed to him to be utter foolishness. But when he came to know that Sher Khan is going to hunt a man, that night he became more surprised, as men are very negligible creature to hunt in his eyes. Okay, this is the outline of the story. Now we are going directly to the activities. See, lesson 7, Mowgli among the wolves, unit 1, activity 1. First one is choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Okay, I have already solved the answers. A, Father wolf woke up at. There is a 3 options in the book. You also follow the book. Otherwise, you can understand it clearly. Okay, there is a 3 option you will find. Now, the correct answer is 2:07 o'clock. B, Tabaki was the name of one jackal. C, on that night, the tiger had hunted one man. So, these are the answers. Activity 2. Identify which of the following statements are true and which are false. Give a supporting statement for each of your answers. Okay. See, A. Father wolf woke up early in the morning. The answer is false. And the supporting statement SS stands for supporting statement. Supporting statement is, it was 7 o'clock of a very warm evening in the Seoni. Okay. B. Indian wolves do not like jackals of their mischievous nature. The answer is true. Supporting statement, the wolves of India despise Tabaki because ... the village rubbish heaps. I have given ... because it is a lengthy sentence. It is not possible here because the time is very limited. That's why you will see it from that book. Okay. The wolves of India despise Tabaki because from here to the village rubbish heap. C. Tabaki did not find any food at the wolf's den. It's also false. Supporting statement, he scuttled to the back of the cave where he found the bone of a bat with some meat on it. Okay. D. The wolf family was not as all pleased to hear the compliment. Supporting statement, it pleased him to see mother and father wolf look uncomfortable. This is supporting statement. Now come here. E. Sher Khan lived in the forest area 20 miles away from the wolves. It's true. Supporting statement, Sher Khan was the tiger who lived near the Wingunga river 20 miles away. Okay. So the activity 2 is complete. Now activity 3. Answer the following questions by referring to the text. We have to take out the answers from the text. Question A. How did Father Wolf come out of sleepiness? The answer is, to come out of sleepiness, Father Wolf scratched himself, scratched himself. This is scratched himself, yawned, and spread out his paws one after the other. B. Why are the animals scared of the jackal? Answer. Animals are scared of the jackal because they are apt to go mad. Then the jackal runs through the forest, biting everything in his way. C. What was the law of the jungle? The law of the jungle mentioned by whom? Mentioned by the Father Wolf. Answer. By the law of the jungle, no animal has right to change his quarters without due warning. D. Why was Father Wolf angry on hearing the loud roar of the tiger? Father Wolf was angry because the foolish tiger, Sher Khan, was beginning his night's work with that loud noise. Okay. Now one word substitution. One word substitution is, what is this? Using a certain word to substitute a group of words is called one word substitution. Okay, there is a few examples I have given to you. 1. An animal that lives on the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores. 2. An animal that lives on plants. They are called herbivorous. 3. One who plays cricket. Cricketer. 4. One who drives a vehicle. Driver. 5. One who rides a cycle. Cyclist. 6. One who swims. Swimmer. 7. One who writes a story, poem, etc. Writer. 8. One who builds house. Mason. 9. One who eats no animal product. Vegetarian. 10. One who neither eats any animal products nor uses it. That is, they are called vegan. Okay. So I have given you the full syllabus already. and solved you the activities as far as possible. So no more today. Okay, take care and be healthy.